Hello guys, welcome to Daily Current Affairs series. Today we will discuss 13th March current affairs. Welcome to our channel Gear Up for Group 1 exam. Let us discuss the today's important current affairs. The first one, BRICS contact group on economic and trade issues. Here the name itself defines this group will discuss on economic issues and as well as trade related issues. That's why there is a contact group formed by these five countries. They are Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. Before 2010, there is only four countries. They are BRIC countries. Only Brazil, Russia, India, and China. After 2010, South Africa also added in that grouping. Now it is five countries. They are BRICS countries. Here, India under its chairship in 2021 presented the calendar of events for BRICS contact group on economic and trade issues. Here, what will be discussion on the issues or what will be on the discussion. Here, the deliverables proposed are on BRICS cooperation on multilateral trading system, including cooperation for TRIPS waiver proposal at World Trade Organization, framework for consumer protection in e-commerce, very important, non-tariff measures, NTM resolution mechanism, sanitary and phytosanitary things. These are the four things they will discuss in this BRICS CGETI 2021. Next one, state election commissioners. Why it is in news? Why? Because the Supreme Court held that independent persons and not bureaucrats should be appointed as the state election commissioners. Why? Because the judgment criticized the Goa government for giving its law secretary the additional charge of state election commissioner. The top court directed that the state should appoint independent persons as election commissioners along the length and breadth of the country. Not the bureaucrats should be appointed as the state election commissioners. Next one, Mera Ration. Here, at present, 32 states and union territories are covered under the One Nation, One Ration card, and the integration of remaining 4 states and UTs is expected to completed in next few months. At present, the system covers nearly 69 crore NFSA, that is NFSA benefits, that is National Food Security Act in the country. Here, One Nation, One Ration card scheme is being implemented by the Department of Food and Public Distribution under Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution for the nationwide portability of ration cards under the NFSA, that is National Food Security Act. That is about Mera Ration. Next one, it is about disease, meningitis. That is, it is a swelling of the membranes covering the brain and spine as well as spinal cord also. Here, meningitis is a serious infection of the meninges. Here, right side you can see the picture of meninges. They are the membranes covering the brain and spinal cord. The disease can be caused by many different pathogens including bacteria, fungi or viruses, but the highest global burden is seen with bacterial meningitis. Here, despite successful efforts to control meningitis in several regions of the world, meningitis continues to be the major global public health issue, causing up to 5 million cases each year. That is 5 million cases each year. That's why it is a global public health issue. With this we can conclude our video. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to our channel Gear Up for Group 1 exam.